Hello Travis, so today we're going to be taking a look at this here, which is the Porter Hoodie from Oliver's Apparel. Now this is a 275 GSM weight fabric, which is considered a mid to heavyweight merino wool fabric. And when you wear this one, you can feel that it is quite a bit thicker than like the t-shirts. So I have previously reviewed their t-shirts. You can click the link in the right to see that one. Now, when I initially got this, I was a little bit worried that it might be a bit too tight, but I think it does stretch like a tiny amount, or at least somehow when you wear it, it kind of breaks in a little bit. And then after probably about a week of wearing it, it feels very comfortable, and I don't think it's too tight anymore. But do let me know in the comments if you think that the sizing on this is too tight. So a couple of other things to note about this particular hoodie is that it doesn't have the little pull ties that typical hoodies have, which I'm a big fan of because I don't really like pulling those or having the strings in the way. So not having them for me is a positive. The hood also is quite thick, like the actual body of the hoodie. And so when you wear this in colder weather, that will definitely protect your head and ears. One of the stranger things though is that this doesn't have any front pockets. So typically hoodies generally have front pockets, to put your hands in, but this doesn't have that. So it's more of a sort of layering piece that you'd probably wear with like a mid-weight shell overcoat or something like that. Now, because of the heavyweight fabric, the 275 GSM, it is quite warm, so I probably wouldn't wear it on like sunny days or when it's hotter, because you can definitely start to feel your temperature rising. Even though it's thermally regulated and merino, it does breathe very well. It's definitely more of a layering piece for cooler weather, breezy weather. It definitely works very well in those situations. But when the sun comes out or when you're exercising or something, for example, you would probably want to take it off because it is quite a warm layer. But overall, it's a very nice hoodie, and I think that I will be using this one for traveling, definitely keeping it as like a mid-weight layering piece. I think it will make a great piece to the wardrobe of winter layering, and I definitely think that you should go ahead and check it out if you're in the market for a natural material that is merino wool and it's breathable and it's not too heavy to carry and roll up in your bag, but it's very well performing. And I love that the design, especially around the shoulders, you can see it has a special hem design, which is very comfortable, and it's definitely one that I would check out. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next one.